Welcome back to Forbidden Knowledge News. Today is Saturday, March 9th, 2019. On the 6th, an extremely rare earthquake measured at a magnitude 2.6 occurred at the Florida-Alabama border, just east of Century, Florida. Very few earthquakes ever occur in Florida, as it is not located near any tectonic plate boundaries or major fault zones. The last earthquake to strike Florida was a magnitude 5.9 in the Gulf of Mexico in 2006. On the 8th, there was a magnitude 6.0 earthquake near the Philippine Islands at a depth of 27 kilometers. A bright glow is now visible from the crater area of the Suwanos-jima volcano in the Tokara Islands in Japan. This indicates that the volcano is currently erupting. The new activity most likely consists of strombolian explosions from the crater. On the 9th, there was another powerful explosion from the Shivala volcano in Kamchatka, Russia, ejecting ash up to 10 kilometers above the crater. The aviation color code has been raised to red. The eruption of the Piton de la Fournaise volcano in Reunion continues, as a new fissure has opened on the 5th on the northwestern flank of Piton Mador. There are now at least 6 new lava emission points being observed from the volcano. On the 6th, the Louisville Zoo in Tennessee was forced to close after an enormous sinkhole the size of a football field formed 33 miles northeast of Knoxville, following the magnitude 3.4 earthquake that struck earlier that day. The sinkhole measured 50 yards wide, 85 yards long, and 50 feet deep. Officials are still working to determine if this was caused by the quake or other occurrences such as rain runoff. On the 2nd, wildlife rescuers found 127 dead and injured ringtail possums along a stretch of beach in Victoria, Australia. Experts believe that this was caused from extreme heat exhaustion and what has now become a disturbing new trend of animals dropping dead from extreme temperatures. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like our Facebook page.